Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Sofi Custodial account. Let's get straight into the video. It's going to be a really quick one. First up, to set up a Sofi Custodial account, just follow these steps. First thing you got to do is to log into your Sofi account. You can do that on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. And then once you're logged in, just navigate to the Invest tab. Next, you want to select custodial accounts from the drop down menu and choose the type of custodial accounts that you want to open. It could be UGMA or UTMA, whichever one it is. Next, you got to fill out the custodial accounts application, providing the required information such as your name, your address, social security number, and beneficiary information. Next, you want to fund your custodial accounts by transferring funds from your bank accounts or other financial institutions. And then last, you got to choose your investments from Sofi's range of options, including index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Sofi's custodial account. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.